Hey, so today's Tuesday tip, we want to talk to you about some of those ideas out there in your landscape and some different textures, different elements that you can bring in and that you can use in your landscape. So when you're out there and you're looking at your landscape, look at the different ways that people walk. If you want to create some space, walking trails and those kind of things. And so today I wanted to give you some different ideas or some different features to keep in mind when you're thinking about those walking paths. We like to use those walking paths a lot of times in natural areas to create some like an adventure or to create a kind of just a wandering trail through a natural areas. And you can use all kinds of different elements to do that with. You can use egg rocks, you can do pea gravel, egg rocks and pea gravel, same kind of texture material, just two different sizes. You can use mulches, any kind of mulch, black, brown. You can actually sometimes find mulch at a really good price and be able to do it with that. We've used flagstone, which is always really cool. And some people say, well, oh, I can't afford flagstone because you have to pour it in concrete. But you can actually take flagstone and lay it in there and then let the plant material grow up around it. I've done some before where we would do flagstone and then actually plant dwarf mondo grass between it. And so it created a nice field to go through the area. You can pour concrete, obviously. Concrete's going to be more expensive. And what I recommend that with customers, especially if they're using a lot of the mulches, is to put some kind of border edging. You can use metal edging or you can use plastic edging. And my recommendation all the time is that you use metal edging over plastic edging. Plastic edging over time will rise up based on the gravitational spin of the earth, and it actually rises up out of the ground. And so that's why you see plastic a lot of times. The other is plastic is petroleum, and so when the sun hits it and the sun dries it out, the sun actually pulls the petroleum out of the plastic and then it makes it very weak and brittle. So that's why we recommend that you go ahead. It's going to cost a little more, but go ahead and use that 3/8 inch or 1/4 inch metal edging along the edge of the flower beds or the edge of the pathway so that it will contain your material, but it will also give it a finished look and a nice clean look. So check out our website, check out our Facebook page. We've got a number of different items on there and different selections of paths that we've done, from stepping stones to concrete to mulch to gravel, all of those items. So take a look at that and let us know if any of those strike your fancy or if you need any help with those items. And hopefully this will be helpful to you.